Hello, everyone. Welcome to all of you in this FFB Live Chemistry class. तुम लोगों का पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट चैप्टर चल रहा है जिसमें हम पिछले क्लास में ग्रुप 13 के बारे में कंप्लीट स्टडी तुम लोगों की हो चुकी है ग्रुप 13 के बारे में, जिसमें बोरान फैमिली एलिमेंट्स के बारे में डिटेल स्टडी तुम लोगों की मैंने कराई। इसमें बोरान के कंपाउंड्स, एल्युमिनियम से सिमिलरिटीज, डिसिमिलरिटीज एंड एबनॉर्मल बिहेवियर ऑफ बोरान, सारी चीज़ें हमने डिस्कस किया। उसके अलावा जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ 13 ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स, ये सारी चीज़ें डिटेल में तुम लोगों ने पिछले 2-3 क्लासों में पढ़ा है। तो आज के क्लास में हम 14 ग्रुप पे डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो अब हम क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। Topic of today's class is chemistry of group 14 element. This is the second group of P block of the periodic table. ग्रुप 13 की स्टडी लास्ट क्लासेस में हो चुकी हैं। आज से हम ग्रुप 14 के बारे में डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे। ग्रुप 14 of long form of periodic table consists of 6 elements: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium, that is Fl. These six elements form a family known as carbon family because the first member of the group is carbon. This group contain a non-metal, that is carbon, 2 metallites, silicon and germanium, and 3 weakly electropositive metals, tin, lead and flerovium. Carbon is one of the importance to the biosphere. Its compounds are the building block of living things and also their energy source. Carbon has two properties that enable it to form a very large amount of compounds. These properties are catenation and multiple bonding. Silicon is an essential constituent of minerals. Silicon is important for material produced on a large scale. These days, such cement, ceramics, clays, bricks, glass, and polymers. The highly pure silicon is important in microelectronic industries. Tin and lead are very well known and have been used as metals since before biblical days. Now occurrence and use. Occurrence and uses of group 14 elements. Carbon is one of the most widely distributed element in nature. It occurs free as well as in the combined form. It occurs free in crystalline form as diamond, graphite, and in amorphous form as gold. It is present all living organisms, both plants and animals, in the combined state as proteins, carbohydrates, fat, and other complex petrol compounds. It is present as hydrocarbon in natural gas and petroleum. It is found as carbon dioxide in atmosphere. In mineral worlds, carbon occurs in the form of carbonates. The important carbonates found in nature are limestone, CaCO3, magnesite, magnesium, MgCO3, dolomite, MgCO3.CaCO3, calamine, ZnCO3, siderite, FeCO3, and sursite is a PbCO3. Now, carbon is the 17th most abundant element by mass in the earth crust. Naturally occurring carbon contains two stable isotopes, 6C12 and 6C13. In addition to these, third isotope 6C14 is also present. It is radioactive isotope which has a half period 5770 years and used for radiocarbon dating. Silicon is the second most abundant element occurring in the earth crust. It is 27.2% by mass. Unlike carbon, it is never found in free state but always in combined state. It is an important constituent of igneous rocks and consists of silicates of magnesium, aluminum, potassium, iron, etc. Silicon is widely present as silica in various forms. Silica is SiO2 is known as silica, such as sand, quartz, flint, etc. Germanium is a rare element. It is only found in traces in some silver and zinc ores and in some types of coal. Through the abundance of tin and lead are comparatively low, they occur as concentrated ores which are easily to be worked out for the extraction of these metals. The most important ore of tin is cassiterite, SnO2, which is also known as tin stone. The ore is usually associated with iron and manganese tungstens, that is FeWO4, MnWO4. This is manganese tungstats. Tin also exists along with pyrites of copper, iron, and zinc. Now, lead is mainly found in the form of sulfide. The sulfide ore is called galena. Lead sulfide is usually associated with zinc blend, iron pyrites, and traces of silver. The other less important ores of lead are Anglesite, that is PbSO4, second ceroside, PbCO2, Ledakite, PbO, PbSO4. Flavorium is not found in nature, it is a man-made element. It has been formed by artificial transmutation. तो सारे जो एलिमेंट थे ग्रुप 214 के सबके बारे में शार्ट में यहाँ हमने तुम्हें बताया. अब द abundance of group 14 element in the earth are given as carbon abundance in earth crust 180 ppm, जबकि रिलेटिव एबंडेंस इसकी है 17 पोजीशन इसकी है. सिलिकॉन सेकंड एबंडेंस 2.72 into 10 to the 5.5 and germanium 1.5, tin 2.1 abundance, lead to 13 and 36 relative. Now uses of P14 group elements. Carbon exists in various allotropic forms. These forms find a variety of applications in different fields. Diamonds are used as a gemstones. Being hard in nature, diamonds are employed for making drills or abrasive powders for cutting and polishing. Second form of the carbon is graphite. Graphite, being a good conductor of electricity, is used for lining and making electrodes for electric furnace. It is also used in making refractory crucibles, in making lead pencils, and as a lubricant in machinery. In clear react in nuclear reactors, graphite rods act as moderator to show down neutrons. The third form is coal is mainly used as a fuel and for the manufacture of coal gas, water gas, producer gas, coal tar, coke, and synthetic petrol. Coke is utilized as reducing agent and fuel is metallurgical process, especially in the iron industry. The activated charcoal, fourth form of the carbon is Activated charcoal having a very large surface area is used as an adsorbent. It is used in removing offensive odor from air in air conditioning process. In making filters in cigarettes and in a gas mask to remove poisonous gas. It is also used to purify the decolorized sugar syrup and other chemicals. Now, fifth form is carbon black is used as a filler in making rubber tires, in making printing ink, black in paints, boot polishes, and ribbons of typewriters. The second member of the group is silicon is used in the manufacture of certain alloys such as ferrosilicon, silicon bronze, manganese silicon, bronze, etc. These alloys possess high strength, hardness, and resistance to the attack of acid. Ultra pure silicon and germanium are required for electronic industry. These are insulators when pure but become p-type or n-type semiconductors when doped with an element of group 15 or group 13 respectively. These are used as transistors. Very pure silicon is also used to make computer chips. Germanium is a transparent to infrared light and is therefore used for making prism lenses, windows in infrared spectrometers. Now, tin metal is extensively used in tining copper and brass utensil. Organic acid present in food stuff attack the copper and brass utensil. This may cause food poisoning. The utensils are protected by tining, that is, depositing a thin layer of tin on the surface of utensil. Tin plating is also done either mechanically or electrically on iron or steel sheet as to prevent them from rusting. Tin in the form of tin foil is used for wrapping cigarettes, confectionery, and for making toothpaste tube. Tin is used for making useful alloys. The alloys of tin are first solder. Composition of alloys with tin 67% and lead 33%. It is used as in soldering. Now, rose metal, second alloy of tin, it contains tin 28%, lead 22%, and bismuth 50%, and used for the electric fuse. The third alloy of tin is bronze. It contains copper 75 to 90% and tin 25 to 10% for utensil status and used for utensils, statues and coils. Now, bell metal. In bell metal, copper 80%, tin 20%, and used as bells and gongs. Its name is bell metal for the use. अब जहाँ इसका यूज जिस चीज के लिए होता है उसी हिसाब से इसका नाम बेल मेटल. नाउ टाइप मेटल कंटेन्स tin 3%, lead 82%, antimony 15%, and used in printing types. Britannia metals contains tin 86% and antimony 12%, copper 2% used as cheap tableware. Gunmetal contains copper 87%, tin 10%, and zinc 3% used as a machine parts and in guns. Now, lead metal is used for making the chambers used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by lead chamber process. This is most important use of the lead metal. And another use for making pipes for conveying water, and third for making telegram and telephone wires which are to be buried in the earth. The use and lead also used in making bullets and lead accumulators. It is used in the manufacture of lead pigments and used in making useful alloys such as solder, type metal, pewter, etc. Now, atomic and physical properties of group 14 elements. The first important property is electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of the members of these groups are given in this table. In this table, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and fluorine atomic numbers are here. And this is general electronic configuration. इसमें क्या है, लगातार शेल्स बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. सेकेंड शेल में कार्बन के पास सिर्फ 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, जबकि बाकी मेंबर्स के पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. उसके बाद सिलिकॉन के थर्ड शेल में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, जबकि सबके पास 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन. फिर जर्मेनियम के पास यहाँ 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन है लास्ट शेल में, लेकिन बाकी सब इस शेल में सबके पास. इस तरह से शेल बढ़ती जा रही है. कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इस तरह होता है 1s2 2s2 2p6. सिलिकॉन का 3s2 3p6. लास्ट शेल में वही s2p2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. और इसी तरह ये शेल बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन लास्ट शेल में वही 4s2 4p2. इसके बाद फिर एक शेल बढ़ जाएगा अगले मेंबर में 5s2 5p2. तो जो लास्ट शेल है उसमें 2 सब शेल है s और p, जिसमें कि s कंप्लीट है 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. उसके बाद p में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. और इसी तरह की सिमिलरिटी सब में होगी, यानी लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ जा रहा है, p ऑर्बिटल में, इसलिए ये p ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स कहलाते हैं. शार्ड में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऐसे लिखते हैं जहाँ तक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन किसी इनर्ट गैस के बराबर आता है उसको उसको लिख दिया. उसके बाद का सारा हम इस तरह से लिख देते हैं. तो इसमें पेनल्टी मेड शेल कौन सी होती है, जो सबसे बाहर से अंदर की शेल होती है, वो पेनल्टी मेड शेल कहलाती है. तो कार्बन के पास पेनल्टी मेड शेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. सिलिकॉन के पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. बाकी जो मेटल हैं ये जर्मेनियम, और उसके बाद है टिन इनके, और इसके बाद है लेड इनके, और लास्ट वाला फ्लेवोरियम. सबके पास पेनल्टी मेड शेल पे 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. The configuration shows that these elements have same number of electrons in the valency shell, that is 4 electrons in the valency shell, 2 of which are in s orbital while remaining 2 are in p orbitals. Thus they have ns2 np2 configuration, that is s orbital is paired while 2 p orbitals are unpaired like this. The penultimate shell of carbon contains 2 electrons, silicon contains 8 electrons, and germanium contains 18 electrons. यानी complete जब orbital होती तो saturated. S and Pb and Fl contains 18 electron unsaturated each. This shows why carbon differs from silica in some respect, and these two differs from rest of the members of this group. Now, atomic radii. The atomic radii of group 14 elements are smaller than the corresponding elements of group 30s in the same period. However, the atomic radii increase gradually in the group as the atomic number increases. In the same period, the effective nuclear charge increases when we move from group 13 to group 14. The increased force of attraction towards nucleus brings contraction in the size, that is atomic radius decrease. तो जब हम पीरियड में आगे बढ़ते हैं तब तो एटॉमिक रेडियस कम होती है, लेकिन डाउन द ग्रुप एटॉमिक रेडियस बढ़ती जाती है. कार्बन की कम होती है बोरान से जब हम इसे पीरियड में देखते हैं, लेकिन सिलिकॉन की कम है एल्युमिनियम से, और जर्मेनियम की कम है केल्विन से. यहाँ वैल्यूज दी हुई है. 77 पिकोमीटर है कार्बन की, जबकि 85 पिकोमीटर बोरान. इसी तरह यहाँ सिलिकॉन और एल्युमिनियम में डिफरेंस है, और जर्मेनियम और केल्विन. The gradual increase in atomic radii within the group is due to the addition of a new energy shell in each succeeding elements. The atomic radii element कार्बन ये पिकोमीटर में सबकी दिए, तो डाउन द ग्रुप एटॉमिक रेडियाई एलिमेंट्स की बढ़ती जा रही है. it is observed that there is large increase in atomic radius from carbon to silicon, but from silicon onwards the increase is comparatively small from member to member. This is due to the fact that shielding effect of S2p6 electrons of the Banerjee made shell in silicon is large, while the shielding effect of D10 electrons in germanium and tin and D10 F14 electron in PP is less. Now, ionization energies or ionization enthalpies. In accordance with the periodic trend, in general, the value of the first ionization energy is decreased from carbon to tin. However, lead has slightly higher first ionization energy than tin. It is also observed the decrease in very sharp from carbon to silicon, but from silicon onward, the decrease is comparatively smaller. The value of first, second, third, and fourth ionization energies are given here. तो कार्बन की फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी 1086 किलो जूल पर मोल, जबकि सेकंड इसकी बहुत बढ़ जाती है, फिर थर्ड फोर्थ और यानी सेकंड इलेक्ट्रॉन फिर थर्ड फोर्थ इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करना में ज़्यादा एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है, जबकि सिलिकॉन में यहाँ पे इससे कार्बन की आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी से इसकी कम है। आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी सेकंड थर्ड बढ़ती है, लेकिन कंपेरेटिवली कार्बन से कम। इसी तरह जर्मेनियम में यहाँ पे देखो स्लाइट डिफरेंस है दोनों में, जबकि यहाँ पे डिफरेंस थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है। इसी तरह सेकंड आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी इस तरह से और इस तरह से ये थर्ड आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी, लेकिन लास्ट में जो लेड की आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी है ये स्टेनिक यानी टिन से ज़्यादा हो जाती है। और फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी भी यहाँ से ये डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है 7, लेकिन यहाँ लेड की फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी ज़्यादा हो जाती है। तो ये सारी वैल्यूज सामने है तुम्हारे देखने के लिए। The decrease in first ionization energy from carbon to tin is due to increase in atomic size and screening effect of inner electrons. That is, outermost electron is held less tightly by the attractive force toward the nucleus. The smaller decrease in ionization energy from silicon to tin is due to the slower increase in atomic radii on account of poor shielding effect of the electrons in germanium and tin Sn. The slight increase in the ionization energy from Sn to Pb is due to lanthanide contraction due to poor shielding effect of F electrons and increase of 32 units of nuclear charge in lead over Sn, that is the valency electrons are more tightly held in lead. The first ionization energies of group 14 are higher than the corresponding elements of group 13 in the same period. कार्बन की फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी इससे पहले के ग्रुप में है बोरान, इससे ज़्यादा है, और सिलिकॉन की एल्युमिनियम से ज़्यादा है जो उससे पहले के ग्रुप में है। द डिक्रीज इज ड्यू टू डिक्रीज इन साइज एंड इंक्रीज इन चार्ज ऑन द न्यूक्लियस ग्रुप 14 एलिमेंट इन द सेम पीरियड। Now, electropositive character or metallic character. With the decreasing values of ionization energies, the electropositive or metallic character gradually increase down the group. The change from non-metallic to metallic nature with increasing atomic number is well illustrated in group 14. Carbon and silicon are non-metals in group 14. Germanium is a metallites and tin and lead is a metal. The increase in metallic character is observed in physical properties such as malleability and electrical conductivity, and in chemical properties such as increased tendency to form M2 plus ion and the basic properties of the oxide and hydroxides of higher number. However, group 14 members are less electropositive in comparison to group 13 elements. This is because of smaller atomic size and higher ionization energy. Now, fifth property is electronegativity. Electronegativity values do not decrease in the regular manner as expected in group. Carbon is the most electronegative element, while silicon, germanium, tin, and lead possess nearly the same value. This is due to the filling of d orbital in germanium and stannic, and also f orbital in lead. तो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी 2.5 है कार्बन की, जबकि सिलिकॉन की 1.8 कम हो जाती है इससे, फिर जर्मेनियम की ज़्यादा है, फिर यहाँ इस एसएन की कम है और उसके बाद लेड की स्लाइड कम है. Now, oxidation states and nature of bonding. All the members of group 14 have NS2 and P2 valence electronic configuration. It is therefore expected that these elements either lose these electrons or gain 4 more electrons to attain a stable configuration. These elements do not form stable M4 plus ion due to high ionization energies. Similarly, it is not easy to form M4 minus ion as it also requires huge amount of energy. However, carbon forms some carbides such as Be2C, CaC2, etc., in which carbon is supposed to form either C4 minus or C22 minus ions. Thus, these elements in general share electrons to get stable configuration. All these elements show tetravalency. The tetravalency is explained on the basis of shifting of one of the paired ns electron to the vacant np orbital in the same shell. ग्राउंड स्टेट में इनका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इस तरह से होता है NS2 और NP2. तो यहाँ P सब शेल में एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं दो ऑर्बिटल में. एक्साइटेड स्टेट में ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ आ जाता है जंप करके, तो इनमें इनकी जो वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल होती है वो 4 हो जाती है. और जब हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होता है तो sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन भी इनमें हो सकता है. कार्बन में ये प्रॉपर्टी होती है. sp2 भी हो सकता है, sp भी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होता है. These four half-fill orbitals mix together to form four sp3 hybrid orbitals, each having one unpaired electrons and directed toward the corners of a regular tetrahedron. These four hybrid bonds are used to form four covalent bonds. Bonding in compounds like methane, CCl4, any carbon tetrachloride, silicon tetrachloride, germanium tetrachloride, stannic chloride, and lead tetrachloride is predominantly covalent, that is showing an oxidation state of 4 and possess tetrahedral shape. Germanium, Sn, and lead also show +2 oxidation state. The stability of +2 oxidation state increases on going down the group from germanium to lead. This is due to inner pair effect, that is the tendency of ns2 electron pair to participate in bond formation decreases as the atomic number increases. The compounds in +2 oxidation state are ionic in nature. Thus, in group 14 from carbon to lead, the tendency to form covalent compounds decreases, whereas the tendency to form ionic compound increases. SnCl4, PbCl4 are covalent, while SnCl2 and PbCl2 are ionic in nature. According to Fazan's rule, M4 plus ion is smaller than M2 plus ion. Thus, M4 plus ions exert high polarization due to small size and high charge, and thus M4 plus compounds behave as covalent. Now, melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling points of first member carbon are exceptionally high. This is due to high crystalline giant structure of diamond in which carbon atoms are interlinked tetrahedrally by rigid covalent bonds. Silicon metals appreciably lower than silicon melts appreciably lower than carbon, but the values of silicon and germanium are still high. They have structure like carbon, but the binding forces are not as strong as in carbon due to increase in atomic size. Tin and lead are metallic and have much lower melting points because bonds are weaker. They do not use all the four outer electrons for metallic bond. Elements melting points carbon का है 4373 केल्विन, जबकि सिलिकॉन का है 1600 1693 केल्विन एंड जर्मेनियम इससे कम हो जाता है फिर टिन और लेड का। टिन का फिर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में, लेकिन यहाँ लेड का बढ़ जाता है 5053 600 है। बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कार्बन का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सेम ही होगा। दिस इज द सिंपल बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सिलिकॉन 3550 एंड डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है यहाँ पे सभी में। इसका 3123, इसका 2896 एंड इसका 2024 इन 2024 केल्विन। द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीज ऑन मूविंग डाउन द group. The melting and boiling points of group 14 elements are much higher than those of the corresponding elements of group 13 elements. This is due to smaller atomic size and higher interatomic forces which increase its valency electron. Density, with the exception of carbon, the density of the element of group 14 increases with the increase in atomic number. This is attributed to the greater and steady increase in atomic mass compared to the increase in atomic size of the element of this group. यहाँ पे कार्बन के जो दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म होते हैं, एलोट्रॉप्स है ये। तो इसकी डेंसिटी डायमंड की होती है 3.51, जबकि ग्रेफाइट की होती है 2.5। बाकी की डेंसिटी ये सामने दी हुई है जो कि बढ़ती जा रही है। Now allotropy, except lead, all other element of this group show allotropy. Now what is the allotropy? The property due to which an element exists in two or more forms which differ in their physical and some of the chemical properties is known as allotropy, and the various forms are called allotropes or allotropic modifications. This phenomena is due to the difference either in number of atoms in the molecule or in the arrangement of atoms in the molecules. Carbon's allotropic forms are diamond, graphite, coal, charcoal, and lamp black. Diamond is the purest form of carbon and is very hard. It is a non-conductor of electricity. It is extremely chemically inactive. Second form, graphite, on the other hand, is less dense than diamond, soft in nature, and is a good conductor of electricity. Coal, charcoal, alum, black are amorphous forms. Coal is the crude form of carbon. Fluorescence, a new family of carbon allotropes, has been discovered in 1985. These allotropes consist of clusters of carbon atoms such as C50, C60, C70, and C84, etc. Now, silicon also exists in two forms: crystalline, that is gray, and amorphous, is brown form. Amorphous silicon is chemically more active. Germanium has two allotropic forms. White tin exists in three forms. gray tin, white tin, and rhombic tin. Now, catenation. The linking of identical atoms with each other to form a long chain is called catenation. All the elements of these groups have the property of catenation. However, this property decreases from carbon to lead. Thus, carbon has the maximum property of catenation. Silicon has much lesser tendency. Germanium has still less tendency. Whereas tin and lead hardly show this property, the decrease of this property is associated with MM bond energy which decrease from carbon to lead. इस तरह से कार्बन कार्बन के जो है एनर्जी वो कितनी है 83 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल, जबकि सिलिकॉन सिलिकॉन 54, जर्मेनियम जर्मेनियम 40 and SN 37. The reason for greater tendency of carbon for catenation than other elements may further be explained by the fact that energies of bonds between carbon and other elements. On the other hand, silicon-silicon bond is weaker than bond between silicon and other elements. इस तरह से कार्बन कार्बन एंड कार्बन ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन क्लोरीन. इधर सिलिकॉन सिलिकॉन के की बॉन्ड एनर्जी कितनी हो जाती है 54, सिलिकॉन के साथ 88 जो कि ज़्यादा है. सिलिकॉन कार्बन 186 हो जाती है किलो कैलोरी पर मोल. Thus, carbon forms a number of compounds in which a large number of carbon atoms are linked together in form of a state chain, branch chain, or closed chain. The property of catenation is responsible for a very large number of compounds of carbon. Now, another property is multiple bonding. Carbon, the first member of the group 14, possesses a pronounced ability to form stable p-pi multiple bond, that is double and triple bonds with itself and with other first row elements such as nitrogen, oxygen. The compounds containing C double bond C, C triple bond C, C triple bond N, C double bond O, and C double bond S are common. Graphite and allotropic form of carbon is also an example of p-pi bonding. Silicon and other elements of this group show their reluctance in forming p-pi multiple bonding due to their large atomic size. However, silicon and other elements of this group have vacant d orbitals in their valence shell. These elements can form d-pi double bonds with nitrogen and oxygen. This bond is formed by the donation of an electron pair from filled 2p orbitals of N or O to the vacant 3d orbitals of the silicon or other elements of group 14. The existence of d-pi p-pi bonding explains the structure of trimethylamine, tricylamine, and their basic nature. Trimethylamine, the N atom undergoes in trimethylamine, the N atoms undergoes sp hybridization, giving tetrahedral configuration. The geometry of molecule is pyramidal, and one of the tetrahedral position is occupied by a lone pair. P-pi, D-pi bonding cannot occur in this molecule as carbon does not have d orbitals. This lone pair NCH3 whole thrice can be donated to Lewis acid, and thus it shows a basic nature. In tricylamine, sp2 hybridization occurs giving trigonal planar geometry to the molecule. The lone pair electron is present in unhybridized p orbital. This overlaps with empty d orbital of any one of the silicon forms forming p pi d pi back bonding. Due to non availability of lone pair, this molecule does not show basic nature. Now, maximum covalency. Carbon has only two energy shells Kl. L shell, outermost shell, has four orbitals 2s, 2p, x, 2p, y, 2p, z. These four orbitals can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons, forming four covalent bonds. Thus, maximum covalency of carbon is 4 because it has no d orbitals or vacant orbital which can be used to accommodate more electrons. The remaining elements, however, have vacant d orbitals. These permit the formation of coordinate bonds with other atoms or ions having lone pair of electrons. For example, SiF4 can combine with two fluoride ions to form SiF6 or 2 minus, and this is the thus the maximum covalency of silicon can be 6. Similarly, other members can show maximum covalency of 6 involving sp3d2 hybridization. Since all these elements except carbon satisfy the following three conditions, they have the tendency to form complexes using d orbital, that is small size of the atom or ion, high charge, availability of vacant orbitals of appropriate energy. So these are the some important characteristics of 14 group elements. Individually हर एलिमेंट के बारे में शॉर्ट में जितना हमारे समझ के लायक था उतनी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज इस बारे में डिस्कस की गई इस क्लास में. अगले क्लास में हम इसी ग्रुप के जो इम्पोर्टेंट मेंबर हैं कार्बन हैं सिलिकॉन हैं इनकी इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज इनके इम्पोर्टेंट कंपाउंड हैं सबके बारे में बताएं.